Tired of that nagging ache in your neck? Let's talk about a centuries-old solution with a modern twist. Cervical spondylosis. Yeah, that's the fancy name for wear and tear in your neck, can make even simple things like looking down at your phone a literal pain in the neck. If painkillers and neck braces aren't cutting it, acupuncture could be worth a try. So what's the deal with acupuncture? This ancient Chinese therapy uses superfine needles at specific points on your body to relieve pain and boost healing. Don't worry, it's way less scary than it sounds. Studies show acupuncture can reduce neck pain, improve mobility, and even help you sleep better. The magic? It's believed to trigger your body's natural painkillers and relax those stiff, overworked muscles. But here's the catch. It's not a magic bullet for everyone. Some people feel relief after just a couple sessions, while others might need more time or a combo of treatments.